In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok can't follow people. If you're experiencing issues following people on TikTok, you're not alone. Many users have reported similar problems, especially with new accounts or under certain conditions. So to resolve this issue, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and clear the app cache. Go to your TikTok profile, click on that three-line menu at the top right of your screen, click on Settings and Privacy, and then Clear Cache. To do that, simply click on this free up space button under the cache and cellular, and you'll be able to simply find the option to clear your cache for your TikTok account. Another thing that you can do if that doesn't work is to go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Some users have found success by turning off Wi-Fi and using mobile data instead, or vice versa, and this change can sometimes bypass network-related restrictions. Now, if that doesn't work as well, what you can do lastly is to disable VPN or security apps for your device. If you're using VPN or certain security apps, they might interfere with TikTok's functionality. So try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.